Quick Tip Tuesday. We're talking about hail and wind damage. It's imperative to know that your deductible increases immensely on windstorm or hail. Sometimes it could be 2 to 3% as opposed to your standard $1,000 or $5,000. So if you have composition shingles, flat 3-tab, and you have granule displacement from hail and or wind lift, lifting your shingles up, depending on the age of that product, you may receive possibly half, if that, of what you're rightfully entitled to. Call us at 713-369-4300 and let us help you with that.